Morning guys. I just got out of the shower and I'm in my hoodie, of course. Today we are going to be training upper. I am super excited. I'm just going to get ready and then we're going to go and get Dev. She is half an hour away from the gym that we're going to. It's in London. I think it's called the Body Factory. Looks really good. It's got some really good upper equipment. It's kind of old school style bodybuilding, but it's a newer gym. It's also massive, so I'll give you a little tour when we get there. We're also going to be having an off plan later. Again, very excited about it. Dev found a place on TikTok which I think we're going to try. It's got lots of like dirty fries, like lots of little like taster dishes basically, because I think I speak for her as well, but I love trying little bits. I don't necessarily want like one big meal. I'd rather have lots of little ones. So very excited for that. And I also need to pick up a Ultra Rosa for her. I have one already. There's one shop in my town that sells them, and the first time I tried it I was like, I don't know whether I like it, but now I'm obsessed. It gives me watermelon vibes, but it's better because it's grapefruit. It's also very nice if it's a hotter day. So I would 10 out of 10 recommend. I still don't think it's as good as the mango. I think that's probably top tier for me. But yeah, I like it a lot. So I definitely recommend you try it. I find it in a one stop. It's like a post office. I can't find it in a Tesco's or anywhere like that. So if you're trying to find one, have a little look in one stop and see if you can see them in there, because they're right by the tills in mine. That's the only place I can find them. I've tried everywhere. But yeah, we're going to get ready and then I'll see you when I go to get Dev. This is the fit for today, nothing crazy. I'm wearing the new Monster Factory top that I got at the Arnold's. I really like the colour scheme. There were so many that were really bright, and especially now that I've got ginger hair, I just don't think they would go. And then underneath, I've got this bra from ASOS. I got it so long ago, like over a year, so I don't even know if they still sell it. And then we have the little taco socks. Anabolic socks, that's what that is. But yeah, so I am gonna go get a Monster now for Devon. I have a cake in the oven, and then that is gonna come out and that is gonna cool whilst I'm out, and then when I get back I'll crumb coat it and do all that jazz to it. So yeah, I'm gonna go and grab her a Monster now and then I'll be leaving. We just got ID'd for a Monster, guys. Literally, like, how young must I look today? But I get alcohol, but it's a Monster. I think it's like 16 to get a Monster. And also, for context as well, I was holding a vape, my car keys, and I also have tattoos all over my arms. So it's like, you have to be 18 to get tattoos, I drive, and I'm old enough to buy vapes. But yeah, it was funny. He basically shouted, he was like, how old are you? And then I didn't hear him because it was so, like, I didn't expect to be ID'd. And then he said, how old are you? And like shouted it again. And I was like, I just laughed and went, I'm 23. Like, I come in here literally every day to buy Monster and vapes. And then he was like, I'll let you have it this time. I was like, yeah, you will, because I'll go get my ID and then it's gonna say that I'm 23. God, some people are so funny. you dying? Dying, absolutely dying. Exercise 3.
Yep.
Yeah, dying already. We are halfway through. We're doing seated laterals and then we're doing triceps and then we're done.
Oh, baby, let's get down tonight. Baby, I'm hot just like an oven. I need some loving. And baby, I can't hold it much longer. It's getting stronger and stronger. And when I get that feeling, I want sexual healing, sexual healing. Oh, baby, makes me feel so fine. Helps to relieve my mind. Sexual healing, baby, is good for me. Sexual healing is something.
We're done! Woo! It is food time. Where are we going?
Six burger.
It's called Six Burger. Fingers crossed it's good.
I am gonna get 6 burgers.
And fingers crossed we actually find parking. So, because we're in Enfield, so we will see. But I think we both really enjoyed that gym.
Yeah.
We thought it was pretty sick. We're definitely gonna come back again. They had a room for legs, which we didn't realise right until the end. But it's called the Body Factory Gym. So would 10 out of 10 recommend. It's got a lot of like bodybuilding style equipment, but it's not commercial in any way, I don't think. It's got that old school vibe, but not run down. That's my seatbelt. So yeah, but it was pretty damn good, and it wasn't too long to get to. I think it was like 45 minutes from Hemel, so not bad. But yeah, we're going to get food now because we are absolutely starving. We did a little bit of posing. I have no idea what I'm doing, so that was funny. But if Devon will let me, I'll insert like the odd little snippet of hers so that you can see what she was doing, because she's an absolute beefcake. But yeah, we'll see you in a bit when we get food. You want a burger?
I want a fucking burger.
Burger. Got the goods. I will try and insert photos as I eat it, but I got 3 different things: cheesy bacon fries, mac and cheese, and crispy chicken tenders.